Grammar section. Should, why don't you? Should plus a verb indicates a recommendation. Shouldn't is to indicate a negative recommendation. For example, when the weather is bad, you shouldn't swim in the ocean. You should stay in the hotel. Also use why don't you plus a verb, or why doesn't he plus a verb is used to indicate a recommendation. For example, why do you play ping pong at the hotel? You can use different structures to give recommendations. Structure. Should. For example, you should eat healthy food on vacation too. Shouldn't. Example, you shouldn't eat junk food every day. Why don't you? Example, why don't you order a salad? You can. Example, you can have some pasta too. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences. French fries, sushi, milk. Activity B. Complete the sentences using should, shouldn't, why don't you, and you can. Use your choice. Let's. Use let's plus a verb at the beginning of a sentence to make an invitation. For example, let's go to the movies. Write invitation for the actions below. 1. Take a vacation. 2. Go to the mountains. 3. Stay in a hotel. 4. Order vegetarian food. Have to or had to. Have to is in the present, had to is in the past. Have to or had to plus a verb is used to express an obligation in the present or past tense. For example, you have to plan your trip carefully. An obligation is stronger than a recommendation. Activity D. Rewrite these sentences using have to or had to. Number 1. It's necessary to take your passport. Number 2. It was necessary for you to get a visa. Number 3. It was necessary for you to go to the capital. Number 4. It's necessary for you to study a foreign language. Go plus verb plus ing. The structure go plus verb plus ing is used to talk about physical leisure activities. For example, go camping, go swimming. Underline the expressions that use go plus a verb plus ing. Number 1. Let's go surfing this summer. Number 2. Why don't you go running on the beach? Number 3. We wanted to go swimming, but the water was too cold. Number 4. Many tourists go dancing at night in one of the big hotels. Number 5. You can go cycling in the forest. Pair and share. Invite a classmate to do something with you. Let's go cycling at the park later. Sure, that sounds like fun. Ask and answer about obligations. What do you have to do every day? I have to. Make a list of the activities or obligations you do every day. This is the grammar section.